What's up, rebels? I uh I think I might have struck a chord or a nerve or whatever the hell I did to bring to the surface some sort of underlying self-hate here. Okay? Let me lay it out for you. Uh, I put a post up about comp bids. Comp bids are the one of the oldest and most insidious tools the carriers use against us as contractors to beat us down and keep us in our place. Now, if you truly believe that comp bids are justified and you writing comp bids is okay because those contractors out there are crooked and they're overcharging and they're whatever else they're doing. If you truly believe that that we deserve to have comp bids written, we deserve to have these hacks, these Monday morning quarterbacks come and hack our bills. If you really believe that, you need to get the fuck out of this group. I'm serious. There is no place for that. We are a brotherhood. We are united. We are fighting the good fight every single day. And if you believe that you are justified in cozying up to adjusters and writing comp bids against contractors because those contractors are bad apples, bad actors, crooked, well, you're just not fucking woke up, are you? Get the fuck out. Or shut the fuck up and learn something. Read through the group. Spend some time reading and looking and being here and absorbing what the truth is. You will see. And you obviously don't have the experience, right? You obviously haven't been in a situation where you've spent hours and hours and hours and weeks selling a job, writing a job, educating a consumer, only to have the adjuster bring in some hack who has no incentive to write a good sheet because the job isn't theirs. There's no way they can win that job. And if they can, shame on them, right? If they're there to try to sneak that job out from under you, shame on them. And if you're that person, shame on you. So comp bids, yeah, there's no place for them here. If contractors are really, really writing fraudulent estimates and really overcharging, then the state insurance commissioners need to get involved. The state attorney generals need to get involved. Licenses need to be pulled, right? I'm just reading through these threads and my mind is exploding with how the hell did these people get into this group and think they're the Restoration Rebels? You're not a rebel. If you're not united with us, get the fuck out of this group. I mean it. We'll see you.